Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram clone app. In this video tutorial, we are going to start build our header section, means this one with our logo, and here's our two buttons. I'm going to make a logout. We have a sign in and sign up and our logo. Let me adjust this. You can see from here. Okay, first of all, I'm going to delete this app.test and setup test, as well as logo.svg in this one. Delete. Okay, and in app.js, remove this logo, and here in header h1, hello Instagram. Not perfect. Here we have hello Instagram. This app, we have to remove this margin from here. For that one, inside app.css, I'm going to delete all the previous one, and here to implement for all, margin 0. Perfect. Okay, here create a header, div, and class name app header. Inside header, first of all, we need here a logo and to this floating buttons. Image and image source. And the image source we have to download from Google, otherwise I'm going to in my old project. Yeah, here I'll copy from here. Not this one, it's inside a model. Yeah, here's the app header. I'll check from here. Save, and see here we have an Instagram logo. Perfect. The next step we need here two buttons, two floating buttons actually here, sign in and sign up. If I go to in material UI, and here we have a floating buttons. I'm going to floating action buttons demo. Here we have a bunch of demo buttons. We can use this button. Is the source code. You can copy and use from here. In my case, I use these buttons extended. This one from here. Okay, again, I'm going back to my previous project, and here let's find where is sign in and sign up. Yeah, here buttons, just copy and let's go to current project. I'm creating here a div tag. Inside this div tag, two floating buttons. We have to import this fab and the icons of which we installed previously, dependency material icons, sorry, material UI icons. We have to import these. So we need here Let's copy all these. I'm also going to import React, and here React, save. It's compiling, and here we got some warning messages. Here we have one error message. Okay, current upload image. Okay, it's a component upload image. Actually, we didn't have still this component. Okay, set sign up, and this where we have to remove from here. On click our methods, save. Now perfect. We have two floating buttons, and here we have the logo. Let's give them some design. So I'm going to copy this our class for header, go to app.css, and here display flex, and align items center. Perfect. And in next step we have to justify content space between, save. Okay, and background color white, save. This page color, if you go here, you can see it's a little bit um, gray, this one. So we have to go in a public, and here, not in public actually, in index.css. Here I'm going to create let's open here, background color. I don't know which code I used there. I think, yeah, perfect, this one. It's okay. Border. Now I'm inside in app.css to design, give some more design in our this header. So I'm going to close app.css, sorry, index.css. Here the next use border, bottom 1 pixel, solid light gray, save. Now here we have a bottom, this border, and let's give a padding 20 pixels. Padding, this padding from all sides means top, right, bottom, and left. Perfect. I think 20 is 10. Now it's perfect. It's very near to our demo. The next thing, we have to give here margin between these buttons. So I'm going to give that class and sign in button. Excuse me. Here already we copied, and the class name is app sign in button. Let's see what is here. We have fab, which we copy. Actually, you have to copy from here, and the variant is extended, size small, color primary, and the class name. Inside here we have the icon, which we install, material UI icon, lock open out, this one, this lock icon. And in next, same thing, but color is secondary. Only there's a difference. Here is the color primary, here is the secondary, and the icon is person add icon, this one. That's it. It's very easy and simple. So let's make some style for the margin from right side, margin right 10 pixels, make it important. Perfect. I think here there's a more padding, so maybe it's 15 or 12. Let's make it 15. No, it's okay. And I think it's near, and also we have here the space. Okay, in this video tutorial we finished our header, and it's responsive. In next video tutorial we'll design our card, this one, this thing, to show our post, and also we have to design this comment section and the previous comments, this one. So that's for this video tutorial. See you in next one.